Cheaper Kodak Flix X20 smart projector with speaker now available. The Kodak Flix X20 smart projector has been released in the US. This relatively affordable model offers a 1080p resolution, producing images up to 150 inches wide. Plus, it has an Android TV dongle providing access to many streaming apps and a range of image perfecting tools like automatic focus. Kodak has launched the Flix X20 smart projector in the US. The company already sells other models in this market like the Luma 500 and the Flix HD10. This new projector arrives at a relatively low price with a basic feature set to match. The Flix X20 has a native 1080p resolution with 4K decoding and support for HDR10+. According to Kodak, its light source delivers up to 300 ANSI lumens brightness, so users will likely need to use the device in a dark room. Other features include a 3000.1 contrast ratio and a 1.3.1 throw ratio. The maximum recommended image size appears to be 150 inches based on an image in the Amazon product listing. The picture can be quickly perfected with tools like automatic keystone correction, automatic focus, automatic screen alignment, and AI obstacle avoidance. Kodak's Flix X20 has an Android TV dongle, allowing users to stream content from a range of popular apps like Hulu and Disney+. You can also wirelessly share content from a mobile device using the Google Cast or AirPlay tools, and the projector supports Google Assistant voice commands. There are two built-in 3W speakers with Dolby Audio, and you can connect other speakers over Bluetooth or using the 3.5mm audio input. Other ports include HDMI 2.0, 1.4, and USB 2.0, and the model also supports dual-band Wi-Fi. Plus, it comes with a remote with dedicated buttons for Google Assistant, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. Native Smart Viewing. Built-in ATV dongle allows seamless access to Hulu, Disney+, and more instant screen sharing. Quickly cast and mirror content from your devices via Google Cast. Stunning Full HD clarity. Native Full HD 1080p resolution and HDR10+ and 4K support deliver sharp details and vibrant color for immersive viewing, effortless control. Voice-powered Google Assistant remote lets you search, stream, and control content hands-free, perfect picture. Auto keystone correction and autofocus for sharp, distortion-free visuals perfectly aligned from almost any angle. Smart adjustment. AI obstacle avoidance and auto screen alignment ensure hassle-free setup with perfectly optimized visuals. Crisp audio. Enjoy clear audio with dual 3W built-in speakers and Dolby R, MS12 Hear AC, or connect external speakers via integrated 3.5mm audio input and Bluetooth R. Seamless connectivity. Built-in HDMI R and USB inputs and dual-band Wi-Fi make it easy to connect to your favorite devices. The Kodak Flix X20 smart projector is now available in the US for $299.99, with customers able to choose between black or white versions of the device. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think.